We are going to talk about a nice kit option for someone getting started in flight simulation. The Honeycomb Alpha LITE and the Honeycomb Bravo LITE, that we like to call the Honeycomb Alpha and Bravo LITE kit. It's a great kit for anyone who's interested in flight simulation but doesn't want to break the bank. Let's jump into why it's a good one to consider for you. Starts off with the Honeycomb Alpha LITE yoke. This is a great yoke because of what's internal to it. It's got a metal shaft riding on ball bearings, so it's a very smooth feel. And as you can see, the aircraft is replying to set inputs. The Honeycomb Alpha LITE uses bungee cords internally for the tension and the roll. Other yokes will use springs, and that can deteriorate over time or give you kind of a jumpiness. I really like the bungee cord feel that Honeycomb brings to their products, and I like to highlight it. Full 90-degree left, 90-degree right of rotation. There's some yokes on the market that aren't able to give full 90 left and right, so worth highlighting. It also has a couple buttons or commands on the yoke face. We have an 8-way hat switch, so I've got it configured currently so I can see around the aircraft just by pushing left, pushing back. We also have our elevator or pitch trim right here, our push to talk button. We have a finger trigger over here on the left side. On the right side, we have rudder trim, if you will. We have another push to talk-esque button, and then your autopilot disconnect. And that's it. There's a lot of yokes out there that have a lot of things they can do. This one kind of gets to the basics, but it does matter in the way it feels and the way it operates. So I think that's worth highlighting. The Honeycomb Bravo LITE is our throttle or engine management system. We have 4 levers right here, currently configured for throttle, prop, mixture, and then our flaps right here. The flaps lever, when I go full engage, you'll see our flaps are deploying. We have our gear position lever along with lights. When I throw gear down, you'll see the lights for transition are coming on. And then when the gear is down and locked, we have our 3 green. As I throw gear up, you'll see gear is in transition, and once it's locked and stowed, the lights go off. That's a nice way to give you those indications to run through your final checklist as you're coming into land. Gear, down, 3 green lights. On the left side of the Bravo LITE, we have our trim wheel. So I have it set to pitch trim or elevator trim. Here I am going nose down. You'll see our aircraft is slowly aiming. Last but certainly not least, our parking brake right here. I like this because when the parking brake is vertical, it reminds me of my training in a 172. There's an internal spring. When I go to disengage the parking brake, it naturally wants to disengage. A nice little thing that Honeycomb built into the Bravo LITE. You won't find that on other hardware pieces, or at least we don't yet. Now you'll see we are flying around the Colorado area in a Beechcraft Bonanza right now with our throttle, prop, and mixture levers. It also comes with 2 commercial engine levers. So if you want to jump out of the general aviation realm and get into wide bodies, you can do that also with the Bravo LITE. So the Honeycomb Alpha LITE and the Honeycomb Bravo LITE together is under $400 for the kit. They take care of what really matters: your pitch, your roll, your engine management, profile trim, gear position, and they also allow you a couple upgradable things like that 2-engine jet setting. We thank you for tuning in, and as always, we'll see you on the next video.